All right. So right here, there's a couple things that we can do. Okay, I think the way we started off working these is we would take and we would break down the variables, and then we would worry about the number. Well, now that we just did all the work that we've just done before, can we use and convert this to rational exponents? We were writing the rational exponents in radical form, but now can I write this as rational exponents? The whole thing is taking the cube root of, correct? And so I can write it just like that, correct? Is that okay? Since this whole thing is underneath the radical, then it can be grouped together with parentheses raised to the radical of 1/3. And so now I'm going to distribute my 1/3. That's going to give me negative 16 to the 1/3 power, a to the 3/3 power, and b the 8/3 power, correct? So now let's look at all of them individually and see what we got. Okay? Look at them all individually. What is 16 to the negative 16 to the 1/3 power?
It's a decimal.
It's a decimal. So what does that tell us?
That's not.
That we're going to have to factor it, right? And so this right here, we're going to have to factor it. So let's talk about what gives me negative 16. So we got negative 2, positive 8.
And then your 8 drops under.
Correct? Correct?
Well, 3 of them come out.
Oh, sorry.
Well, they group together so one comes out.
Okay, we group together.
And then you just have a 2 up.
What kind of 2?
A negative 2.
Okay. So one comes out, other one's gone. Now, they brought the negative 2 out, correct? I think on the answer key that I have written down, they brought negative 2 out.
Does it matter?
Huh?
Does it matter which one you bring out?
No. And so that's the cube root of negative 16. Okay? What about a to the 3/3? What does that become? A to the 1/1. So what does that tell you about a?
It comes out.
Comes to the outside. So we're now got times a. What about b? Oh, I like this one.
How many times will 3 go into?
How many times does 3 go into 8 and not go over it?
2.
So this is going to be b to the 2 on the outside.
And then B to this 2 on the inside.
How much is left?
2.
That right there, right? Y'all agree with that? And so that tells me on the outside, I got b squared. And on the inside, that's a cube root, I have b squared. Correct? All right. And so now let's put all this together down here at the bottom to write our simple form. What's on the outside? 2 and an a, b squared. So I have 2a b squared on the outside. And what's left underneath? The cube root of what?
B squared. No, negative 2.
Negative 2b squared. There you go.
The intervention.
Whoop. Sorry. Everybody good?